The Builderall review webinar is about to start.
How would you like to start making money today with Builderall's two-tier commercial license? Where you would get access to a done-for-you, completely automated, and proven system that will help you generate sales and create an additional source of income for you on a monthly basis. There are 6 irrefutable rules when it comes to having success online.
With the Builderall's two-tier commercial license, all you will have to do is drive traffic to your unique affiliate links.
You choose which funnel you like to promote, get the link and begin promoting. The rest is already done for you with our automated system. An email sequence ready to be sent out telling people about the reasons they should be using our platform, and all you have to do is promote your link. Because the rest is already done for you. You will have access to dozens of high converting banners so you can promote on Facebook, or any other native platform. You will be able to choose from dozens of higher effective sales funnels used by top marketers. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once people that have upgraded to Builderall's two-tier commercial license begin making sales, they will be making 100% commission for the first month on every direct sale, plus 30% commission for every month thereafter. And you will also receive 30% commission from their direct sales. You'll be able to earn 30% commission from your direct sales, and also 30% commission from the sales that people that decided to upgrade to the Builderall's two-tier license that generated sales. Now, what about the leads? Do you keep the leads? Absolutely not. These are your leads. These leads will be part of your email list, and if you decide to promote other things to your list, you can. All we did is create a highly engaging, high-performing email sequence to get people to see the amazing potential of using the Builderall platform and begin using this automated system right away. Once they decide to take action and pay for their subscription, you earn the sale. Here is where it really gets interesting. By promoting this Builderall platform to other marketers and treating this like a real business, it becomes a very lucrative opportunity. Once you enroll in our Business Builder monthly subscription, you will have access to a secret strategy walking you through step by step to achieve the 365. So hurry and lock in the price you are seeing on the screen.